In this video, I will be demonstrating as well as explaining how to achieve a natural makeup look specifically for makeup influencers who are experienced and more familiar and know about makeup. So first things first, I already did my brows off camera. I used the Iris Bell Cosmetics eyebrow pencil in the color dark brown. You can find this at your local beauty supply store. Your brows are your brows. So everyone's brows are different. So only you know how to fill in and shape your brows that fit best for you. So after doing my brows, I am now going to moisturize with the Eucerin Skin Calming Cream, and this is meant for dry and itchy skin. I personally have dry skin, so this hydrates my skin very well. It adds moisture. It doesn't make it dry or flaky. And I'm going to apply this all over my face. Next, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is a primer that gets rid of pores. It doesn't mattify your skin. It doesn't make your skin oily. It is great for any skin type. And I'm going to apply this on my T-zone area, which is under my eyes, around my nose, on my chin, as well as my forehead. And I'm going to rub this all into my face, and this will minimize the pores on my face, which will make the application for my makeup a whole lot easier and a whole lot smoother. And if you see me looking over here, it's because I have a mirror right here. So after applying my primer, I am now going to go in with my foundation. I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me in the color 360 Mocha. This is a little dark for me, so I am going to mix it with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in the color 212 Cocoa, and mixing this together gives me my perfect shade. And you can definitely do this not with just foundation, but you can use this with concealer or any liquid makeup or any liquid product, because you can find a shade that is your shade, but sometimes you may have to mix it to get your perfect shade. So I poured one dab of the L'Oreal Infallible, and I'm going to put a dab of the Fit Me. And I'm going to take my makeup brush, and I got these off Amazon, and I'm going to mix it together on my hand. And doing this on your hand kind of warms up the product to make the product more easier to apply on your face. So I am going to go in dabbing motions. And going in dabbing motions allows you to make sure that you get every bit of the product on your face. When you swipe, you're kind of smearing it, so you're using more product rather than if you dab with just one application. You see I got this whole side of my face. And I am going to put some on my eyes because we are not going to be applying any eyeshadow per se. This is a natural look, and the natural look that we're going for is something that enhances our natural beauty. So we're not doing anything crazy. We're just doing enough to where it looks nice and it gets the job done, but it's very effective. And so I'm just going to take all that product that is on my hand and use it for my entire face. So in total, I used 2 pumps, one with the L'Oreal Infallible and one with the Maybelline Fit Me. And make sure to also go down your neck because we don't want to have a mask look. And going down our neck just makes it look more seamless and look more blended. I don't like to put foundation on my forehead. And that's just a personal reason. Because honestly, I don't need foundation on my forehead. But if you personally feel like you need foundation on your forehead, you can definitely do so. Me not putting any foundation on my forehead is just a personal preference for me. And remember, we are going and dabbing motions and making sure that we get every part of our face. And sometimes it's good to go ahead and just continue to blend just until you see your face is seamless. There aren't any patchy spots, because this also affects the longevity and how it looks afterwards in the end. So after applying our foundation, I am now going to go in with a concealer. I'm actually going to go in first with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Cafe. This is probably like a shade or two lighter than me. And I'm going to apply this under my eyes. I'm going to start right here where my nose kind of starts. I'm going to drag it down to my nostril, and I'm going to bring it all the way up to my eye. And I'm going to go all the way and stop right here at the corner of my eye. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other eye. And doing this kind of lifts our under eye. On top of that, because so this is my concealing shade. I'm now going to go in with the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in the color Medium Warm. And I'm going to apply this on top of my conceal shade. And this is going to be used as my highlighting shade. And I only just dab a little bit right here in the middle. This is very pigmented. It is extremely lighter than me, but that is what I want because I want a brighter under eye. And I'm going, also, we're going to apply the Cafe color on our chin, on top of my lip, as well as my forehead. Basically, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the 5 points where we highlight. This is where I add my neutral concealer, and this is where I also add my highlighted concealer. And we're just going to dab the highlighting shade. Next, I'm going to use